If you want to improve your writing, catch grammar mistakes, and make your text clearer, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Grammarly on a laptop, step by step, so you can get it set up quickly and start using it right away. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through everything from downloading the installer to opening the app and signing in. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have on your laptop. In the address bar, go to grammarly.com/desktop. Once the page loads, you'll see the Grammarly desktop download page. This is where you can get the installer for your laptop. Now look for the button that says Get Grammarly. It's free. Click that button to start the download. Your browser should begin downloading the setup file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear at the bottom of the screen or in your downloads folder. If you're using Windows, the file will usually download as an .exe installer. Once the download is finished, open your downloads folder and find the Grammarly setup file. Double-click the .exe file to launch the installation process. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is a normal part of installing software. After that, the Grammarly setup window will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue. In most cases, you'll just need to click through a few installation steps and wait for the setup to finish. The installer will prepare the app and add it to your laptop automatically. This part usually only takes a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, launch Grammarly. The app may open automatically, or you may be able to find it in your Start menu or Applications list. When Grammarly opens, sign in using your account. If you already have a Grammarly account, just enter your email and password. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account in just a few seconds. After you sign in, Grammarly will be ready to use on your laptop. On Windows, you should also see the Grammarly icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. That icon is useful because it lets you quickly access Grammarly whenever you need it. From there, you can open the app, check your writing, and use Grammarly's tools to improve your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity. And that's it. Grammarly is now installed on your laptop and ready to go. You've successfully downloaded the installer, completed the setup, launched the app, and signed in. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials, app installs, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.